First rates 8 points down for the Nifty, 6048, 6046 now for Nifty. For the Sensex, it's a downtick of about 10 points. So Indian markets have opened in line with Asian markets. Asian markets are also trading with a marginal downward bias. Bharti. Now, the CEO is out. The stock yesterday appreciated by about 6% plus, and today the stock is consolidating. Idea is also consolidating, but RCom has appreciated by about 0.5% plus, almost 87 rupees now for RCom. And honestly, in quick time, RCom has also appreciated from levels of about 61, 62 to about 86. DLF is at 251. Reliance is off to a decent start. It is at 850 rupees. ONGC is at 308. BPCL 387, IOC 299, HPCL 332. So oil and gas as a category is making a comeback. Cement as a group yesterday held out, but today there is no follow buying. And where is TCS and Infosys? TCS started off well, but corrected in the second half of trade, and now TCS is clearly getting grounded. Infosys, that stock has been a high flyer, and Infosys also is getting grounded. So the punchline here is that markets are off to a flat start. Select oil and gas stocks are looking okay, and Bajaj Auto and Yes Bank, they are looking absolutely flat ahead of numbers.
Oh yes, DCB, Den Networks, Essar Oil, all reacting to their earnings, and a positive reaction coming in at that. Let's see what Bajaj Auto, Yes Bank and TTK Prestige are up to ahead of their earnings later today. Bajaj Auto's gotten off to a decent start, TTK Prestige holding up by a good 2%. So watch out for these earnings. This is going to be an interesting one surely. And Yes Bank being the other one, which is holding up now at 530 plus levels. Tata Motors reacting negatively to the JLR global sales for the month. Tata Motors is now down in excess of 1% currently. Let's also see what United Spirits is up to, and that the news flow isn't that great, and it's a sell call from our technical analysts on board as well, from Ashwini as well as Mitesh. The CCI is now going to look into Diageo as well as United Spirits merger. So United Spirits, that's the stock which is currently lying weak. Axis Bank, day 2, let's see whether or not the run-up actually stays put with Axis. No, not quite. You are seeing some profit taking. 14.14 is where the stock is. Essar Oil has gotten off to a very smart start, reacting to its earnings. Bajaj Finserv, wherein the consolidated PAT stood at 249 crore rupees versus a comparable of 170. Bajaj Finserv 2% higher for this one. DCB as well is seeing some result reaction, and a good one at that. Good earnings, and the stock is currently holding up by about almost 2%. Den Networks being the other one, which is actually looking up in trade currently.